Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and you will enter. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.